Hey everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you the spreadsheet, the simple spreadsheet that I built for one of my clients who wanted to improve their Spanish vocabulary. They are native English speakers and they are learning Spanish, so I built this spreadsheet for them. We have a vocabulary tab. This is where they can record the words and phrases that they learn, and they can allocate each of those words and phrases to sections. Sections are like, okay, on day one you learn all of these words, and then on day two you learn those ones. So, but you can also group these words and phrases by pretty much anything. Let's say you want to learn about the body parts, then you can instead of two you can just put in body, and then all the body related words will be grouped together. And then when you want to take the test, which you do on the challenge tab, then you come over here, there's a drop down, and this is where you can select all the sections, or you can select the last section, or you can just select one section. And then the only other thing you gotta do is just take the test. So as you can see over here in cell B4, there is a word, and that's being randomly pulled from the vocabulary tab based on the section 1. So 40 is 14, and I'll just press enter, and now you can see that 14 is actually incorrect because the correct answer is 40. So the next question is 100. So let's assume that 100 is 100, and you press enter, and as you can see, the navigation immediately jumped back to, as soon as I press enter, the cell C4 is being activated. So it's pretty simple. You just type in the word, press enter, and then type it in again, press enter, and records all the results in this table. And you can see that each of the answers are highlighted based on whether they are correct or incorrect. So you can see the total score. I've got 1 out of 2 correct. And if I want to start another test, or I get to the end of it, then I can quickly just press reset, and then I can start my test again. Now, another feature that I developed for them because they requested it, I don't know if there's going to be much value in it for them, but there is this refresh image button which takes the value from cell B4 and then searches the internet and then provides one of the images related to that. So 14 is a number, so it may not return anything, but let's just give it a try. So I just pressed refresh image, it runs a script, and there is an image which shows 14. So it did actually work. From the language learning perspective, vocabulary extension perspective, I'm not sure if there's any value to it, but that was the requirement, so I built it. And as you can see, a lot of these things are either formula driven or script driven. So here's the script that I developed for this particular spreadsheet, nothing overly complicated. And just wanted to show you this spreadsheet. It may trigger some ideas for your work or for your hobby. You want to improve the way you do things, so you can reach out to me via Upwork. Here is my Upwork link, or you can also just reach out to me via YouTube or any of the other channels that you can find me on. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.